Technology advancement in Cambodia have been growing rapidly in recent years. The country has made significant progress in the area of telecommunication, information technology, e-commerce, digital government, tech startups, and new technology. Not too far from now, in 2022, I was awarded as the third place of implementing a business project in Cambodia. The average value for Cambodia during that period was 25.76 points, with a maximum of 20.5 points in 2022 and a maximum of 30.4 points in 2015. In 2022, I was selected to be a representative of Cambodia in the SHIP for Southeast Asia and Japanese Youth Program to discuss on how to improve innovation in ASEAN and Japan as a regional collaboration. This multiplications promotion of the support structure certainly helps. Of greater importance, however, may have been the vast improvement of the case of setting a new business in Cambodia. In 2023, I was in a role as a delegate from Indonesia to join a model ASEAN meeting at AUPP University in Cambodia, which is one of its theme was business growth. The young government of Cambodia is committed to combating climate change and has adopted a long-term carbon neutrality strategy to achieve net zero emissions by 2050. In 2022, I was selected to join Marine Warrior Workshop in Vietnam to discuss marine lives and how we can secure a better sustainability. Also in 2023, I was selected to join an academy in Indonesia to discuss on climate change and adaptation. I sincerely believe that my academic and professional experience, commitment, readiness, outstanding language skills, and achievement make me uniquely suited to fulfilling this aspiration. I am also aware that China is known for the best technology advancement, which will provide me with more specific knowledge and research opportunity, and allow me to obtain experience that will serve as a foundation for a career. To be granted this opportunity will make my dream of being a researcher and lecturer come true. This opportunity will also be a living testimony to all underprivileged students that if they are hardworking and determined enough, poverty will not be a barrier to all aiming their dream. Yes, everyone's dream is attainable. Thank you very much.